guys from the Thoughtful Gardener. It's Easter Sunday and I just want to say how thankful I am for this community. It's just been an incredible year. I love your comments, I love your pictures, I love your questions. Thank you so much. We are just getting started. So let me show you what the Thoughtful Gardener has been up to. Spent Sunday with my family, but now it is the no-dig garden. So you're going to join me on this journey this year as we put in our largest no-dig garden using Charles Dowding's technique here in central Pennsylvania. So let me show you what I've been working on. First of all, let me show you this dirt. This is dirt. Terrible, horrible, no good, very bad. Probably has been this way since this house was built. It is hard, it is dry, it is very rocky, and it is an absolute pain, literal pain if you try to put a shovel in it because it's hard. I tried growing sunflowers here last year. It was a disaster. I don't recommend digging in this soil. Wouldn't you like to have a garden method that would be productive as well as allow you the ability to have less maintenance? Sound too good to be true? Well, let me show you what I'm doing and how you easily can have the same productive garden with less time and less maintenance. It's been a ton of fun to put this together, so I'm really excited to show you. So this is where I started, just really bad dirt. We had put landscape fabric down and mulch down to keep the weeds down. The beauty of the no-dig bed is that it is weed resistant. Not proof, but resistant. And you will not be tilling. All you will be doing is adding compost every year. So let me show you how we got started. So here's the entire bed. What you're gonna need is cardboard, something to cut the cardboard with and remove the staples and tape with, and you need to have compost. Now I had 2 yards of compost brought in. This is 6 inches deep. I have absolutely tamped it down just by taking a piece of cardboard and walking across that cardboard several times. And now you've got these edges. Why did I leave this large edge around? I'm gonna cover these edges back up with the mulch. You can use wood mulch here, and ideally what's going to happen is this cardboard is going to prevent the weeds from coming up from below. Interestingly, when I pulled back the landscape fabric, there were some worms, so this soil isn't completely dead, but it is clay and it is very rocky, so it is not ideal for growing anything. And what we will be doing is planting this like a normal bed. It is straight mushroom compost. So to recap, you're going to need cardboard, something to cut the cardboard with, and compost. And 2 yards of compost cost me $60. That's it. Cardboard boxes were free. Thank you very much, Chewy. And it was just the time to bring the compost back here and put it on the cardboard. Now you can see the cardboard here is layered. So bare ground, cardboard. Next piece of cardboard is layered, so there's no gaps underneath. And then we're gonna leave a border around the edge. This is Charles Dowding's technique. If you have not watched his videos, I absolutely adore this man. I can't wait till I can travel to England and to meet him in person. Now, what I'm gonna do that's slightly different is I'm going to combine the gardening here with the no-dig method, and we're going to put in pollinator hedgerows. What are pollinator hedgerows? Well, according to Rutgers University, they are responsible for helping our apple orchards produce $9 billion worth of apples last year here in the state of Pennsylvania. So if it's good enough for the bees, it's good enough for the garden. And I have seen that in my own garden, combining the pollinator hedgerows with our vegetables. So you're going to see me planting flowers in this bed. I'm going to let you know what's working, what's not. Ideally, because the compost is so dense, there should be a lot less weeding and there should be a lot less watering. So I'm going to tell you what's working, I'm going to tell you what's not, and we're going to go from there. I'm super excited about this project and I really want you to join me on this journey. So if you would like to learn more, you can send me a private message and we're going to be doing a challenge here very soon. 5-day no dig garden bed challenge, and that way we can get this season growing. Hope you guys are having a great day. Garden thoughtfully. Take care.